Gusto mo mas ma-maximize ang benefits ng lemon water sa bukol? Let's see. 3 ways ito. Number 1, plain warm water plus lemon. Simple way. 1 glass warm water with juice of half lemon every morning bago kumain. Helps kickstart liver detox at metabolism. Number 2, lemon water with ginger. Add a few slices of ginger. Mas strong ang detox effect at nakakatulong sa anti-inflammation, lalo na kung may bukol sa liver or neck area. Number 3, lemon water with honey. Add 1 teaspoon of honey sa warm water lemon, natural antioxidants plus immune support. Mas gentle sa stomach at supportive sa detox while improving digestion. Consistency is the key. Kahit simpleng ritual lang every morning, malaking tulong sa natural healing at detox ng katawan. Comment Lemon Daily kung gusto mo ng full step-by-step guide sa lemon water detox. And follow me for more natural healing tips para sa bukol. This is May at your service!